In the last video I had given and I had shown you there to create a calculator. Now many students got me the message that sir, please teach us how to make a dance stage. Okay, so I want to show you today how can we make a dance stage. Okay, so it is a very small animation. Okay, but it is very nice. Okay, so let me show you how to create a dance stage. So we don't want this cat to get dance, so I should remove by the delete option. Okay, now to get dance, the very first we need to have the stage. So click on the stage, come to the background, and let us have the stage. So we import, and from this import we search for a dance stage. So here spotlight stage is here, so let us take this stage. Okay, fine. So it is, so we remove the first one, stage. Now what we need is to get the dancer over here. So we need a person who can dance on the stage. So let's search for that person in the people folder. So select this people. Here we are got the action of dance over here. Let us search more. Yes, again here is also a break dancer. Okay, you can select this. Let us see more. Okay, one more is there, dance 1, dance 2, dance 3. So let us take this one. Let's take this one. Okay, now he is on the dancing floor, not in the dancing floor. He is still not there in the dancing floor. So let us make him stand on the dancing floor. So what to do? We have to decrease the size of the dancer. So as you know, we will be using the tools. So here is the tool to make the sprite shrink, to make it small. So select this, make him stand on the stage. Okay, now it's fine, the size is fine. So let's make him stand on the stage in a proper way. Okay, now he is standing on the floor. Okay, so this is one of the action of the dancer, but in dance we see many pose. So let us have the other pose of the dancer. So we have to move to the costumes. Let's move to the costume. What we have to do, we have to import the other pose of the dance. So select this, import, one by one we have to select the other pose of dance. So dance 2, let us take this, one more. So again the same process is to be repeated, dance 3. Okay, again is there more pose, dance 3, then dance 4, up to dance 6 we are having. Let us take all those, pose. Dance 5, import one more was there, and dance 6. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to write the script, that is the code for dancing. So move to the script now, where the person will dance. He will dance when the green flag is clicked. So let us take this option. Okay, and up to what interval he has to dance, we are having many options in the control box. So what we would prefer is you dance forever. Okay, you dance forever. Okay, now who will dance in forever? The sprite will dance. Okay, so how the sprite will dance? We have to get this dancer in the forever block. So what to do? Come to the uh, costume option and just select the next costume. Now let us see what it is doing. Arey wah! He has come from Dance India dance or what? Dancing like a rapid way, in a rapid way. Oh, this is not the way of dancing. So we have to make some changes over here. What changes we have to do? You please wait. So let us have the wait option over here. We are having wait option here in the control block. So let him wait for 1 second. Now he is very slow. Let us change the time. Let us make it as 0 3. Okay, now again he is dancing. Oh, 0 3, not this. 0.3. 0.3. Yes, now it is fine. Oh, the dance stage without music, it doesn't look good. So what we have to do? We have to insert a music over here, then only it will look much better. So let us get the sound over here. We are having the sound option. Go to the sound option, import the sound. So let us have the one of the sound. We are having music loops. Okay, let us see this music loops. We are having one of the option. Okay, let us take one of the option. So once we have taken, yet it is not in our script. So what we have to do? We have to move to the script option, and from this script option, the script, what we have to do? We have to go to the sound option, and from this sound option we have to use the play sound. Where is the play sound? Play sound. So we will be getting the play sound over here. Okay, so this is how we are making a dance stage, but we should have one more sound, as it will create in a rhythmic way. So let us have one drum. Okay, and let us add over here the drum option. Play sound, we have to change it from here, drum. So if it is playing, both are coming in a simultaneous way, so there should be a gap between these two sounds. So again, what you have to do? Come to the control option, make him wait for a second. So let us have 0.3. Okay, yes, now it is fine. So this is a small animation. Let's see in the full screen. Yes, there is a dancing boy or a dancer, we can say. So a very short animation but an attractive isn't it? So you can try with more options which are there.